Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic camping table. I mean, I say camping, but you can use it for whatever you want to do, like hiking, fishing, going to the beach. For the beach, this could be a really good must-have. So this brand sent this one to me. I tried it already. I actually tried some of the products before, and they have a really good quality on the products for whatever it is outdoors, like camping, fishing, hiking, the beach, outdoors, whatever you want to do, they have really good quality in there. And this is not an exception. So look at this. It has a bag that you can take with you on the go. One thing that I will mention, this thing is quite heavy. I mean, it's not super heavy. You can take it with you on the go with no issues. But the thing, it is heavy because this lady right here, which is not a small lady, it's not a small table. I'm gonna take it out of the bag for sure in a few seconds. But this could be the queen of the camping table because it is really good. It's also big and firm and stable and supports 110 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot. So inside here, you're gonna find the legs. Let's actually take out the legs. And then you're gonna find the support that goes on the legs, and also you're gonna find what is gonna be the kind of like the top of the table right here. Sorry about that. The top of the table. And folding it back is super easy as well. You're not gonna have any issues with that. You can just remove this bag over here. And now let me actually show you how this is done. So number one, you remove the Velcro right here. Then you open this until you hear a click. So just like that. Once you hear that click, now it's done. And here you're gonna find a pin that is kind of like the safe for the pin. You're gonna find this and you can remove it when you want to fold it back, but then just super easy. Also, just to make sure that you're gonna put this right here, the Velcro strap right here again. So you put it just like that. That is kind of like an additional support. So these are the actual legs. This is how it goes right here in the ground. And here you're gonna find that you're gonna have to put these two brackets right here just to make sure that connects with each other. Just like that. One, and you hear that click. And the second one, and you hear that click as well. So right here, you're gonna find two pins. That's gonna be kind of like for these sides of each one of this. So you secure that one, push it just a little bit, not much, and it's gonna get the job done. And then make the other one. So right now, this is ready for putting up the table right here on top. Thank you, plane, for ruining my shot right here. Then you're gonna just do this. Super nice and easy. You're gonna make sure that makes contact right here with this kind of like strap right here. It has like a locking feature that you're gonna use. Let me actually flip it down this way. And here you can take a closer look of the table. You can see they have the logo right here, which looks pretty good. You can see that this is firm and stable. This is the metal that I was telling you about. You can see the structure right here with, again, it's super strong and firm, and the legs are gonna be super good to adapt to the terrain as well. So I like it. I do recommend this one. And what I like about this one is, number one, that is kind of like this really nice metal that is not just like wood or plastic or something like that, meaning that it's gonna kind of like last longer, I want to say. Of course, you can leave it outside if you want. Nothing's gonna happen with the rain, but I would put it in the carry-on bag anyways. And then what I really like about this one is the size. This thing is pretty big. I want to say that up to 4 people, I think so. And you can see that this is not super flimsy or something like that. It's very stable and firm. So you can put here, let's say that you're in a camping ground and you need to work. You can actually work here perfectly, no issues. Or you can sit with 2 more people and another person right there. So 4 people would have a really nice experience of having like lunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever outside. I really like this one. I think it's really good for the outdoors life. You can see how easy it is to fold and unfold and put in the carry-on bag. Again, one more time, it's a little bit heavy, so don't expect to be carrying something super lightweight. But again, that weight translates into good quality because this thing supports 110 pounds. So I really like it. I do like the quality of this product and all the products that they've been doing for the outdoors life. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.